here in the heart of Pāhara Keke, and we're about to go and have a kōrero to a dynamic duo known as Extreme Hip Hop with the Henrys. So, e te whānau, nau mai, haere mai. Kia ora, Kazi. Hey. Thank you for having us. Well, the boards are out. We're ready to rock and roll, yeah. Nā reira, I mua I e rā kōrero. Tēnā, whakamohio mai ki te hunga nei, ko wai kōrua, no hea kōrua.
Kia ora e te iwi, ko Mars Toki Onga, ko Ngāti Kahungunu te iwi, ko Ngāti Hawe a te hapu, ko Roa Hape a te marae, ko Josiah toku tama, ko tēnei toku hua rangatira. Nō reira, kia ora.
Kia ora tātou. Ko Manga Pūte Maunga, ko Awarua te awa, ko Rangi Pai Uta, Rangi Pai Tei te waka, ko Ngāti Tuahine te iwi, ko Te Erui te hapu, ko Sen toku ingoa. No aitutaki ahau, rawa ko Penryn o ku Mautere, nā reira e te iwi, tēnā koutou katoa.
Tēnā kōrua. Well, e te whānau, as we have been highlighting and bringing up, we are here talking about extreme hip-hop. E te whanaga, tēnā, tell us, what interested you about extreme hip-hop?
Well, before I even heard of extreme hip-hop, I used to attend two-step classes run by an amazing stepper named Sangi. And then I seen a post from a really good friend of ours, Patricia Sullivan.
Sister.
Yeah, she's also an instructor over in Oz. And so I hit her up and she pretty much, introduced me to extreme hip-hop.
Sure, Kazi. Nā reira, atu I tēnā, what attracted me most to this kaupapa was one, he kore utu. You offered this kaupapa free to our community. Why was that?
Yeah, so I guess that's just our way of giving back to the community. We didn't want finances or pūtea to be an issue or be a burden. And, you know, we welcome all walks of life. Yeah. For those of you who want to join us, feel free to come along. We're based here at Te Kuro o Kimiora, that's in Flaxmere and Hastings. You're welcome to join us on Monday nights and our intermediate class on Tuesdays. We also have a Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube account, all under Extreme Hip Hop with the Henrys. So follow us, join us, come celebrate.
You know, I've been through depression and being overweight, and since being introduced to extreme hip hop, it's really helped me and motivated me and really helped with my mental health. And I just thought, man, if I can do that for someone else, then I'll be really happy with that.
Kia ora, tēnā kōrua. Well, e te iwi whānui, kua tai te wā, kia te matatata, ki te tepe haere. So we're going to get our step on with the Henrys now, okay? Keep an eye out on this kaupapa. Mauri ora.
Let's go.